Hey everybody, Russ from Pro Steam here. It's 2026 and it's summertime and we've had several heat waves, and some of my customers have taken advantage of the heat and having their carpets cleaned. And we're back at a sports club in Hampshire to clean the carpets. We come here every year, and for those of you who follow my channel, you will recognise this carpet. And so the usual, we've got the changing rooms here, and we have the usual traffic from the changing rooms onto the carpet. So you're going to get wet shoes treading dirt into the carpet, and you can clearly see the dirt here. And it just treads straight across basically over to here. There's the bar area over there. So people are going to be buying drinks at the bar and then walking from the bar to here and spilling drinks. And these are drink spillages, what you can see. We have a room just back here. We've got a pool table. We're going to move that across and clean underneath it. And the kitchen here, again, you're going to be getting spillages in the kitchen, and that's going to walk straight onto the carpet. And all that's going to happen is the carpet's going to get wet and it's going to attract airborne soil. All right, there's a big field out there, and people will be walking straight off that grass, straight into this area here. We do have some barrier matting here, but you know something, nobody actually stands on it and then bangs their shoes. Well, most people don't. They just walk straight over it and straight onto the carpet. So like some of my other videos, we are going to time-lapse this. And the first thing we're going to do, we're going to brush the carpet and vacuum it, because that carpet is loaded with dry dirt. We're going to try and get as much of the dry soil out of the carpet before we go on to the next stage. We've brushed the carpet and then vacuumed it. And we've just applied a pre-spray. This is an enzyme-based pre-spray. And the enzyme is there really to deal with the spillages. So any protein or anything like that at all, food, anything like that, the enzymes are going to help to break down. So we've applied the pre-spray. We're going to brush it again, and then we're going to extract using hot water. Right, we're just on the extraction stage now, and as you can see, all the soils are being removed from the carpet using this extraction tool, pressurised hot water, very powerful vacuum. I'm doing this with one hand, so it's very difficult. I usually use two hands. We've got about 90 degrees centigrade of heat there. that area of the carpet has been extracted. It's already looking good, but we haven't finished yet. There's another stage. Now, let's see exactly how much dirt we've managed to remove from that area. Well, that's all the steam cleaning done. So what we've done is we've removed all the soil, as much of the soil as we can, using hot water extraction. We haven't done this part of the room yet, so you can see quite a difference between here and here. Now, one issue that may occur is wicking, and what that is dirt that's right at the back of the carpet, near the base of the carpet, that we weren't able to remove with the hot water extraction. What happens is it starts to wick to the surface, and as you can see here, and it's very, very common. So the next stage is going to solve that problem. We're going to now encap the carpet, or encapsulate the carpet, using our Simex machine. It's going to further brighten the carpet. It's going to remove all those wicking stains that are coming to the surface, and it's going to even out the overall appearance of the carpet. Right, that is it, done. So we've just used our Simex machine to further clean the carpet using an NCAP solution. And as you can see, it's brightened the carpet even further. It's removed all the wicking stains that you could see on the carpet. It looks even now, a lot more even. So hot water extraction will take away most of the dirt, but not all the dirt. And it doesn't always leave the carpet looking it's best. So we go that step further, and that's quite possibly why our quote, if you're looking at this and we've done a quote for you for a similar job, is going to be more than maybe somebody else that isn't going to go to these lengths to achieve these results. Now, encapsulation, the last stage. What actually happens now is the carpet will dry out, and it will dry, as you see it, it will look exactly the same. And then when the carpet has dried, the encapsulated soils will crystallise. And then when the carpet is vacuumed next time, those encapsulated or crystallised soils will simply be extracted from the carpet. So there you have it.